all of them, birds, wild cats, wolves, bears, they move around with such competence, moving with their instincts. Haven't you ever sensed that all these animals, they're Zen masters? They're so coherent with themselves.
Being true to their nature.
And wilderness, like wilderness is peaceful, like a forest, the ocean, mountains. So wild is this nature operating according to its own rhythms, its own laws, and its own dance of transmutation. Because every part of nature, everywhere we look,